Okay, here is the round neck. How it comes in the box. Let's open, let's see what you have inside. So here is the manual that explains a little bit how to modify which one are the button and what they are for. See the two here plug, they have a magnet. So one has a magnet and the other has metal parts. So they don't fit inside anywhere, but they're gonna stick to each other. So you can keep it right there, or you can put it around behind your neck when you don't use it. You see here there are two speakers. When you turn on from here, you have this button inside that's called switch speaker. It's this one, switch speaker ear plug. So switching this one, you switch the sound from the head, from the speakers to the ear plug. Okay, so or it comes here or it goes there. Just switching this one. The bottom one is the earplugs, and the top one is the speaker. Then you have here the USB port for the cable, and this is for the memory that you have to put if you want to. That's because of the camera. At the bottom of the box you have the cable and two rubber replacement. Here's the box, how it is in the bottom, and that's it. I mean, here you have to put your card. I already put it, it's not included. And then you connect the cable to the computer when you want to download. I'm gonna show you some picture. Download the video that you made. Here is the on-off button, plus minus volume. And when you want to, let's show you how does it work with the LED. When you turn it on, you see there is a LED here.
Bluetooth mode.
And it's already connected to my phone because I did it the pairing before. The pairing is very simple. Just turn on the Bluetooth. You're gonna find the V9, V as Victor, number 9, and you just click it. But when you want to make a video, you have to press this button. You see the LED is gonna blink. Let's see if you can see it. Green. In this moment, it is recording whatever you see from the camera, and the file is going to be stored inside here in the memory. So if I remove the memory right now, it's not going to start. But that's it. When you want to hand it, same. You have to keep pressed 5 seconds, and then see, it's going to just blink blue. When it's just blue, it means only voice. You keep it, and it blinks green. Right now it's steady. Actually, when it's steady, it's recording. When it's blinking green, it's not recording. It's like, see, in a pause right now. Click it again, it's recording again. But remember, it has to be green. Then you turn it off. You hold it 5 seconds. That's only audio. So to receive calls, to listen music, whatever you want to do. So that's what you get in the box. And I hope this one is going to help you, but it looks like it's not really difficult to do any operation. Thank you.